Gardening in Highlands presents unique challenges due to its cool climate, variable rainfall, and diverse soil types. Gardeners and plant enthusiasts are increasingly looking for plants that thrive in this region while providing beauty, productivity. List 1. A Beginner's Guide to the Vegetable Gardener's Bible, new edition. This comprehensive guide is perfect for gardeners in the Southern Highlands looking to cultivate vegetables successfully. Covering soil preparation, crop rotation, and seasonal planting schedules, it's ideal for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. The book emphasizes practical techniques, pest management, and efficient watering methods, ensuring high yields even in cooler climates. With clear illustrations and step-by-step guidance, it provides the essential knowledge for a thriving vegetable garden in the region. List 2. The Ultimate Guide to Greenhouse Gardening for Beginners. Greenhouses can extend the growing season and protect plants from harsh weather common in the Southern Highlands. This guide walks readers through selecting, building, and maintaining greenhouses. It also explains climate control, watering systems, and light management to optimize plant growth, ideal for vegetables, herbs, and delicate flowers. This book helps gardeners maximize productivity and success, even in unpredictable weather, providing a practical blueprint for year-round cultivation. List 3. Simple raised bed and container gardening for small spaces. Easy urban homestead farming. Raised beds and container gardens are increasingly popular for Southern Highlands gardeners with limited space or challenging soil. This book teaches how to design, construct, and maintain compact garden setups while growing vegetables, herbs, and flowers efficiently. Its practical tips cover soil blends, watering, and plant spacing, helping gardeners achieve high yields and maintain healthy plants. Perfect for urban and rural homesteads alike, it combines simplicity with effective gardening strategies. List 4. The Rough Guide to Scottish Highlands and Islands, Travel Guide with ebook. Although not a gardening manual, this travel guide provides valuable context for plant enthusiasts interested in the Southern Highlands environment. Understanding the region's climate, soil types, and natural flora can inform your gardening choices, helping you select plants that thrive locally. With maps, insights on local weather patterns, and natural habitat details, this guide complements gardening resources by giving a broader understanding of the area's ecological conditions.